Right, here's the question now, ne?
Yes.
You're gonna catch monkey. No, I ask you, you're gonna catch monkey there, ne?
Yes.
How you gonna catch monkey?
Yeah.
How you gonna catch?
What?
How you gonna catch monkey?
Yes.
How, man? You're gonna make a rope for his neck. Huh? Don't understand. Where the fuck is Yahya now? Nee.
No. You.
How you catch it, man? Monkey is fast, most, right?
Yes.
It jump tree to tree, but how you gonna catch it? You're gonna chase it.
Yes. A monkey.
Yeah.
Dan fair,
Uh-huh.
Yeah, bra. I killed monkey.
How?
Yes.
With hands.
Yes.
Yo, fuck, bro.
Yes.
Huh?
Going.
What's that?
A monkey. Monkey.
Yeah. No, talk, my bro. Don't worry for this guy. It's like video most, man.
No.
I'm gonna also for me.
Eh.
He's gonna catch monkey. And he's gonna kill monkey. See, I like natural. The fuck,
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck.
Let's kill a monkey. Yeah.
Why?